Let's move to example. We divide this example in several steps for better understanding. Step number 1. The target site is the foodbank.com website and you are the victim. The hacker makes a targeted phishing attack against you utilizing JavaScript-related vulnerabilities, causing you to download and install their CA certificate. This allows the hacker to generate TLS and SSL certificates that will be accepted by your browser without warning messages. Step 2. The hacker configures their web server to act as a proxy. It accepts all connections to foodbank.com and relays them to the real foodbank.com website. And does the same with all the responses from the foodbank.com website to you. Step 3. Your computer is configured to use the DNS caches of your local provider. The hacker performs a DNS cache poisoning, DNS spoofing, attack against your provider's DNS cache servers, causing your computer's local cache to store the hacker's IP address as the IP of foodbank.com. Until this information expires in your local cache, you will be connecting to the hacker-controlled IP address every time you try to visit foodbank.com in your browser. Step 4. When you type foodbank.com in the address bar, your browser looks up the IP address of foodbank.com in your computer's local cache and finds the hacker's IP address. The browser then connects to the hacker's server and accepts a fake SSL and TLS certificate for foodbank.com. No warning is shown because the browser successfully verifies the fake SSL and TLS certificate using the hacker's CA certificate installed earlier. Step 5. Your browser creates an SSL connection to the hacker's server, and you now have secure, encrypted communications between your browser and the hacker's server. However, all SSL traffic is decrypted by the hacker, logged and then separately relayed to the real foodbank web server via a server-side secure connection. Neither you nor the foodbank web server has any way of knowing that this is a man-in-the-middle attack. Unfortunately, after inserting their certificate in your computer by HTTPS phishing, browsers won't display any SSL certificate warning pop-ups. And the victims have no clue that such an attack is going on.